You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names that too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Xaya is how it's normally pronounced in English. Xaya, not Xaya. I mean, some people in different countries, maybe languages, might pronounce it as Xaya, but in English it's generally Xaya. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.